This is just absolute madness. If you come across one of these coins, I highly recommend selling it as quickly as possible because I don't know how much longer the market is going to be like this. This is so unprecedented for a brand new Washington quarter like the ones in this video. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to make a lot of money with your Washington quarters. I'm going to tell you what to look for and exactly how I would go about selling it if I came across one myself. Now, yes, I am looking for these quarters, but I've yet to find one, unfortunately, but there are people out there that are finding a lot of these coins. They are out there. They were produced in a large quantity. The US Mint knows they've been messing up with errors. The minting process quality control has gone down the drain, unfortunately, and we can take advantage of their mistakes due to the market being so hot for these quarters. Now let's hop into this video. So this specific quarter has errors on both sides of it. So really quickly, the obverse means the front of the coin, reverse means the back. So the reverse or back of this coin has a partial die crack. So when they're producing these coins, sometimes the dies will crack, and if it's not caught in time, then the coins will look like this. On the obverse or front of this coin, there is a cud at the top of the coin. Guys, this coin sold for $845 and it had 20 bids. Now typically when I'm selling coins online, I like to do a buy it now. That way I get more money for the coins. Now there are times where an auction will make more sense. So if you have one of these coins, this is what I would do. First of all, you need to take good pictures, get some good lighting, and pretty much make it look very similar to this listing here. The person took good quality photos, there was good lighting, and the pictures are not blurry or distorted. And also make sure that the full front and back of the coin is pictured in at least 2 of the pictures, just like this person. So when it comes to selling, what I personally recommend is putting the coin at a higher price, buy it now price, and then bringing the value down every week a little bit of money. This way you eventually have someone that bites and buys the coin. Now this is the risky part about an auction. Typically when you auction off a coin, I recommend a 7-day auction. This way it gives viewers enough time to see the coin. Also make sure you end it during a time that most people are off of work. You don't want to have the coin ending at 3 a.m. or something crazy like that because you'll likely get less bids and less money for the coin. So with auctions, you're either going to get 2 people bidding against each other and you're going to get a lot of money, or you're going to get not as much attention or people are going to forget to bid and you're going to get a lot less money than you would have if you put a buy it now on eBay. So that's why I typically recommend buy it nows over auctions, but you can see that there were 20 bids on this listing and this listing looks really solid. You know, you have to be careful because there are some listings out there that have fake bids and scammers and whatnot. So be careful of that. But this Washington quarter also has what some people call the drooling error where it looks like he's drooling. So overall, this has a ton of errors on it. I don't think the value of these coins will last. If you find any, I would get rid of them immediately. I would sell them as quickly as possible. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't pay more than 25 or 50 bucks at most for a coin like this. But for whatever reason, they're bringing tons of money because again, this coin sold for $845. YouTube has a complex algorithm and they know exactly which video you want to watch next. And that video is on the screen. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.